think that I need him. Stupid boy think that I need him. I know you think about me in the shower, porn up in your browser, fantasize about the pussy power. Think about me with your hand on your trousers. I'm sweet, then I'm sour. I'm Big Boss Bowser. I know you salivate.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Queen Beauty here and welcome to my channel. Today I am back at it again with another, I guess, Halloween look. I mean, my first one was kind of like a 70s vibe, Foxy Brown look, and this one is giving you Halloween, orange and purple, black darkness, fall beauty, everything you deserve, you know? Before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see how I got this look, because, you know, it is one of my Halloween looks. I actually have not decided what I want to be for Halloween, so I really couldn't give y'all a video. But I hope you guys enjoy this video regardless, and let's just see how I got this look. hope you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And Queen Beauty out.